How to give control in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to this tutorial on how to give control in Microsoft Teams. If you need to let someone else manage your screen or presentation during a meeting, Teams has a built-in feature that allows you to do just that. Let's go through the steps to grant control to another participant. First, launch the Microsoft Teams app on your device. Make sure you're in an ongoing meeting, as this feature is only available during active sessions. While in the meeting, look for the taskbar. This taskbar contains various controls, including the option to give control. On the taskbar, you will see the Give Control option. Click on it to bring up a list of meeting participants. From the list, choose the person you want to give control to by clicking on their name. Once selected, they will have control over your screen or presentation until you take it back. To take back control, simply click on the Take Back Control button on the taskbar and you'll regain full control of your screen. And that's how you can easily give control in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.